We're demonstrating here the NeuroLog platform, a collaborative environment for neurosciences using grid technologies. The kind of computations that we want to perform here are brain image analysis pipelines such as this one that you can see here, starting from image of the brain of some patient, making some computation like tissues extraction, computation of the deformation field inside the brain that is related to some neurodegenerative disease the patient is affected with, like the Alzheimer's disease, and quantification of this deformation through parameters that the clinician can interpret. We'll show in the environment the process that is running right now. We see here the input images are pushed into the pipeline. There are some computations that have already been executed, some that are running right now, and some that are waiting for the data to become available to complete. To perform that kind of computation, the environment needs to be able to represent complex neuroimaging data that is available from the different sites, federate data that is distributed over different neuroscience resources federated through the platform, and data that is available from the grid infrastructure. Associate some image analysis tools and assemble them into an application pipeline so as to target different neurodegenerative pathologies such as the Alzheimer's disease that we are looking at now. The testbed that we are working with here is made of 5 different neuroscience centers that are federated. And we will see in the platform how we can browse the data that is available in these different centers. We have multi-step search criteria allowing to browse for the different clinical studies that have been recorded in the different centers. We can see in particular here that there are centers for which the data is available to me as green, and refining my query, I can request for specific data, magnetic resonance images, T1 weighted, and obtain the data to my desktop. This data can be visualized. You will see here the 3D brain image extracted from the MR scanner. And if we come back to the environment, we'll now see the results. Now see the result of the computation that we have started. This pipeline has completed, and we can see that the atrophy measurement that we were aiming at have been extracted. So the NeuroLog environment is facilitating the access to grid infrastructure to neuroscientists, providing an environment to integrate existing legacy neuroscience resources, and providing advanced functionality for browsing the neuroimages, performing complex computations, and obtaining meaningful results for the scientists.